How's it going, Airsofters? Welcome to the Sawmill Airsoft Services third Saturday event. This is the first one of 2017. This is a mini milsim type event, a tan versus green. There are camo restrictions and some new rules in place that made it a lot of fun. This is about an hour into the game. Green team to this point has been rolling us. They were kicking our butts, and so we're about to put a really aggressive push here, because if we're to have any chance at the end of the day to win, we know that we've got to start taking some ground and taking it fast.
He'll have range. They do? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. What's that turkey you're going to hit?
How's it going, sir?
Maybe I ought to drag my dead leg out. So I don't think it.
What you guys got?
A few dead, a few undead. You know. We're moving through the tree line up on the far part of the hill. See up there?
Yeah.
Group of trees.
Ethan, let's move up and I'll pop this smoke.
Okay. Doing good, guys. Doing good.
If you're wondering how you should throw a grenade, this is actually not it. We throw it and it hits the smallest tree right in front of us. Luckily he's able to get over there, grab it, toss it downfield before he gets shot, so that it could do what it's actually supposed to do.
Hey guys, let's move.
Reloading. Hey, I'm Ethan.
Yeah.
Get to this truck.
Where?
Blue truck? Yeah.
Where? In that fort tree.
Oh shit.
You alright?
Yeah. I decided to stop. That would have been bad. Keep moving. That guy behind the boat's really not having help. There's two guys behind that boat. There's one guy with the, I don't know what he got. He's hitting pretty close to me down there, and one guy's got auto.
LMG. Hey guys, keep swinging right! Swing right!
They're all on the line of the tree. I think that was a ricochet that got me. Alright. Hey, I gotta fix hop up real quick.
Reload.
I don't want to look out because I know respawn is so far away.
Freaking.
Ah, hit!
Holy cow.
You hit me right in the fucking
You alright?
There's a ting
You got a medic beam?
well,
we got a medic?
I'm not dead.
Hey Tyler,
You watching this side?
These aren't hitting me, but they're definitely hitting the tree and walking. Beginning to think this wasn't a good idea.
Well, we had to try. Okay. We're gonna have to move. No, are you good? Can you get to that right there?
This thing?
Yep.
Think we can hit the barrels from here? Not hit, I mean like get to.
Move, barrels. Watch the right. Far right side, tree line. Hey, Tyler, you want to move up with us and cover? Our 12 o'clock. Hey, good push. Get down. You got a band? Hey, anybody got a band?
Dead man! You got that right on camera too. I was looking you dead in the camera when I said that.
Hey, anybody got a band?
Medic!
Hey, Tan, anybody got a band?
Oh, medic!
Hey, you guys, Tan, you got a band?
Ow.
Yeah, we need a band. Just toss it. Get behind that thing and toss it. Just toss it. Stay there. Just throw me. You got a band? Throw it to me. Hey, keep 12 o'clock. Actually, it's probably more year 11, 12. He's up on that hill. Just watch him. Toss it good.
It's gonna get like right in the clear. He's bad. Yeah.
All right.
Cynthia can cover you.
I got about 1 more minute.
Toss it. We got to get the LMG back up. Come back over here.
Yeah, first time.
Oh,
Here, him.
yeah.
Him first.
That's it, yeah. Unless you're a medic.
I'm sorry.
Hey, any of you guys a medic? Hey, good push, guys. Hey, Ethan, you good? You're 10 o'clock. You see him up there? Ethan, you're 10.
Alright. Oh man. That sucks.
Did he move? He was laying down.
Hey, have you been medic yet?
He's still up there. Hey, Ethan, can you get to that boat? Ethan. Ethan, can you push up to that boat? All right. Go. Go. Reloading.
I don't know if he's hitting or not.
That man walking.
Is the guy up on the left edge? I don't think so, no. No, he's not.
All right, we got some TAM pushing right.
Watch your left.
Hey, I'm gonna... Tyler, I'm gonna push up to these barrels. Here I go. Hey, Tyler, whenever you're ready, move up.
And that about does it for our third Saturday game at Sawmill. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2 as we continue to advance towards the enemy's FOB.